Hello, Cake Fam. Just having an argument with my microphones. Ignore me. Welcome to another video of me making cake for you on the camera. Trainwreck vibes? No, not today. Maybe. We'll see. Got a little crane and some little diggers. Good old Temu. So we're doing construction. I've also got some crushed up Oreos and some crushed up choc ripple biscuits. For the dirt, some Sprinks rocks. I'm really annoyed because I tried to get, I've been trying to get these chocolate rocks that I had a while ago. And I've seen chocolate rocks like Sprinks do them, a few other brands do them, and they're like not natural kind of looking colors. They're like red and weird colors. And I bought some forever ago, like ages ago. And I always remember them as being like really cool and like natural looking. I've used them on a number of cakes. And anyway, I was like, I need to buy them again because they were really good and I haven't seen them. Yeah, Googled it. No, you can't get them anymore. Like they just don't exist. I can't even remember what brand they were. They were like, they came in a packet, like a big, like 1 kilo packet kind of thing. So I'm not really sure. Anyway, so we are compromising with the Sprinks. They're like crystals. But today they are rocks, okay? People lose their mind for edible rocks, like edible crystals and stuff. I did fishing cake on the weekend. I used some of the crystals on that. The kids were like, "Ah, oh, they edible." Yes, they are edible. Anyway, so plan being, I will stack the cake. I'm going to do yellow, I think, so I've done a blackboard. Obviously, I couldn't say that. I've gone with a 10-inch board for a 6-inch cake because I want to put some stuff around the bottom. I've got lots of little trucks, which is good. Temu is, while I don't support child labour, very good for that sort of stuff. So, sorry. Yeah, heaps of little trucks, which is cool. I think the more the merrier for this sort of cake. So I'm going to sort of cut out the side and fill it with the crushed up biscuits and put the crane on. I've got a little 3 that we're going to hang from the crane. I've got to find some string or something to hang it with. And then, yeah, all the diggers digging the biscuits out. Why are we moving? Please don't move. Please stay in one spot. Yeah, so yellow. I think the yellow and the brown and the black and the stuff, it looks pretty cool together. So I'm gonna go with that. Yeah, cool beans. Plenty of room down the bottom for lots of action. Just going to do lots of like piles of rubble and dirt. Lots of dirt. All right, now I want to get this real like construction yellow color going on. Step on that and tread it all through the house, which is like literally what I do on a daily basis. That's silly. That's probably the bit where I'm going to cut. All right. Just leave that alone for a second. And we'll get stuck into the yellow colour. Yeah, real construction yellow. I think maybe a bit brighter, like this is orange, basically. Oh, no, it's going to have to go on the top because it's not tall enough. Yep. Thought about that one, didn't I? All right, I'm going to go straight in with just yellow from Colour Mill. Ow. Fair chunky chunk of that. Excellent. Who's that? Oh. It's my sister asking what colour she should get for her couch. Important stuff, you know. Right. My arms. I don't want it to match, but I want it to be a little bit darker, I think. It's like the same sort of tone. Oh my God. Wow. I'm such a weakling. I should just really put this back on the mixer, but... This is my exercise for the day. Yeah. All right. God damn. That'll do. It's bright yellow. Love it. Looks cool against the black. I like it. Okay. Do we go rustic on the top? I reckon, because it's construction and stuff. Or do we have it flat and then we can, yeah, let's go flat and then we can just hack the edges. Cool. I'm actually going to put this in the fridge so that it's firm when I start carving into it. I'm going to do some brown buttercream. I'm just going to add brown to this yellow just to darken it up. I'll put some buttercream in the crevice that we create and then put the biscuits in. So BRB. All right, we've been in the fridge for a little bit. I got my paring knife. It's a Japanese shun paring knife. You don't have to use a Japanese one. You can just use a normal knife. We're going to create some form of crevicey thing. Doesn't really matter where, to be honest, I guess. Now, this... Oh, it moves. It's cool. Ooh. That's going to be on there. A 3 is going to be here. So I think I'm going to just sort of cut a section out here. And this is going to be my breakfast. Like that. We could also do one over here. Why not? The more I cut away, the more breakfast I'm going to have. No, I'm joking. Cool. And then maybe like one. Let's just cut some down here without ruining the integrity of the structure. Wow, that was a weird glitch, wasn't it? Right. Clean this knife right now because it's a good one. Ready. Palette knife me, baby. This little one, little Moorish palette knife. I'm just gonna go in with my brown. I've just got some brown here. Do I need to turn the light on? Is it getting dark? It's morning. I'm a bit confused. And then I'm gonna go straight in with the chocolate biscuits. Okay. It's looking like a quarry. I really like this down here, but it's just going to fall off, obviously, because it hasn't been secured. I'll put some stuff around the bottom later. All right, what do we got? We got a digger. We got a drill guy. This guy's going to be moving stuff. Maybe we could do like a pile. Well, he's going to have to be digging. He's there. And this guy. This guy's there. And he's got a pile of stuff. Yes. Very realistic. Okay. Let's do a little bit on here. Oop. Probably shouldn't have cut that out. Didn't really need to do that, but that's okay. Cool. All right, and then down here. And then we'll start getting, probably like kind of do we do this. And he's getting all up in there. And then this guy, he can go there. This guy's drilling. What's he doing? Let's do some rocks. Let's put some rocks in here. He's getting with the drill. He's getting the rocks with the drill. Gotta make it really stick, you know. Put some rocks in here. Right, how are we going? Oh, I've got all this stuff as well. Jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Alright, that's obviously where the crane's going to go, so we can secure that. That can go there. This one can go it. Happy birthday. Can we put that somewhere? Oh my gosh. Probably not. No. These things just came with the with the packet, so like I don't have to use them, but also like little sticky tabs to stick them onto. My hands are not very clean for sticky things at the moment. That's okay. Oh! Idiot. Actual idiot. I thought this wasn't going to be a train wreck, guys. It is. Cool. I'm cool with that. Alright, I'm just putting a few little things going on. Little piping things. Now we'll do some more rocks and stuff at the bottom. I really did not need all of these biscuits. More breakfast for me. Just bickies and cake. That is my diet. Just going to put some buttercream on the board so that the biscuits can stick to it now. Just the back here, I may as well use these up. Put that back. They're just cardboard, and I feel like they're just going to soak into the buttercream and probably not look very good by the end of the day. That's okay. Okay. It's going to be a big cleanup. Ta-da! That's so cool. Very good. All right, I have lots to clean up, so thanks for watching my video. Oh, the 3. All right. Where is it? Here. I need string. String. String, 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 string. Okay, I have no idea how long that just took me. Ta-da! Bit shorter, maybe? I had wire, but the wire just made it stiff. And it was hard to, like, make it go straight. Oh, don't. Uh-oh. Oh, I've made a knot. I've made a mess. I think that will do. No, I do want to make it shorter, actually. Hell yeah. All right. Now I'm finished. And I've got so much to clean up.